My sense of humor. My mistake was thinking that everyone was going to understand my joke.
I'm currently eating sushi. It's very yummy. No.
I want you to park that big Mac truck right in this little garage.
Bro, are you high?
Why we going so fucking fast, nigga?
Stop though.
Yeah, what?
Wait, stop the motherfucking music. You, are you dumb?
Where's your other side? Oh my god! Hey. How y'all doing?
If one of y'all says some silly ass name, this whole class is gonna feel my wrath. Now, D nice.
Do you mean Denise?
Son of a bitch!
I guess I'm just too tough to cry.
Just today you were crying about snakes.
They don't have any arms.
You are dumb, unattractive, overweight, unworthy, untalented.
Chocolate chips on the Chuck E. Cheese plate. Oh wait, milk in the Chuck E. Cheese cup? Ooh, super heat.
Idea. My twins big like Tia. My twins big like Tia Tamara. Oh, wait. Tia Tamara. Oh, wait. Tia Tamara. Oh, wait. Tia Tamara.
In case you haven't noticed, I'm weird. I'm a weirdo. I don't fit in, and I don't want to fit in. Have you ever seen me without this stupid hat on? That's weird.
Oh my god, what is that? Oh my god! What is that?
I'm trying. I'm fucking trying. I've only been doing this for 2 fucking days. Like shit. Give me a fucking break.
Being my size, Amy, you don't know how it is. There's stuff you can do. You want to be a big baby about everything. I ain't baby. You're the damn baby. Grow the up. You first. Bitch, I've been grown. I pay my bills. My bills are paid.
She said that those shoes were meant to be worn on a beautiful woman. So if that's the case, she should have put them back on the rack. And she should never even purchase them because she was unqualified. Somebody lied to her several times and told her that she was fly, hot, and sexy and beautiful. And she's nothing like that. She's nothing of the sort.
No more saying cuss words, guys. It's inappropriate and violent.
You wish that was you, huh? Don't you buff yet? Shit. Hey, get y'all mans out the gutter. She just trying to eat her sausage, man.
Don't you know New York bitches are savages? Okay. Maybe it was wrong for me and Swift to flirt, even though I did not know he had a girlfriend. But at the end of the day, like, you still didn't like me. You been not like me because you judge women like me. What was the reason?
I had a reason.
What was the reason?
I had a reason.
What was the reason?
I just explained the reason.
What was the reason, bitch?
I don't need to explain myself to you. And
What was the reason?
Me. Actually, bitch, you don't know nothing about
You was burning the London Bridge, bitch. The that they showed didn't show what the I did, bitch. I was cracking you. You was like, help me, help me.
All right.
I know you mad. I know you.
Hey, can I show you this BTS song? How long is it? It's 4 minutes and there's more? My boy, you still going? That's a compound sentence.
I love my daddy, my superhero.
You and this fellow? Woohoo! Big summer blowout?
Why is it spicy?
Ladies and gentlemen, it was lovely to have you this year. See you next year, or not.
incredible. One of the worst performances of my career, and they never doubted it for a second.
I need a bad bleep. Addison Rae, LaShawty the baddest, yeah, and she got her ways. So these lyrics are obviously very heartfelt to me because I am Addison Rae.